Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is my 88 Mustang GT, aka the Red Demon. Today is just an update video. Matter of fact, this month will be 2 years I've been working on this car, so I'm ready to get this thing done. But today, is an update video on the 302. Like I said in the previous video, we're not going to rebuild the engine by no means. We're just going to put some new gaskets and seals and all that good stuff in it. To kind of help the longevity of it. You know, we're going to continue running the engine. If something happens to it, we got another complete motor right over here that we can put in the car if need be. But today, I'm going to be going over some of the parts that have slowly been trickling in over the past couple of weeks, getting ready to work on the 302. That's why I haven't made any videos. You know, this is a budget build. I can only buy parts when I can afford to buy them. I usually have two things working against me, and that's time and money. Having the time to get out here to work on it and having the money to be able to buy the parts. So today I'm going to take and walk up through here at all the parts that we've got so far for the 302, and really the only thing left to buy would be head gaskets, intake gaskets, and valve cover gaskets. So yeah, we're going to take a look at what I've got so far. We got the water pump, got the timing chain cover set. Picked those two up yesterday. Used the code online. I think it was 45 bucks. This is the seal for the timing chain cover that I had previously bought before I bought this set here. I think it has one in it, and it's Felpro brand, so we're going to use this one if it has one. Got this seal, the rear main seal. Got a power seal pickup and two-piece oil pan gaskets. Got those 4 pieces right there through Rock Auto for, I think it was $51 and it's like 66 cents. That's shipping and all, so that was a good price on that. New oil pump with a promotional code from Advance. I think it's about $32. And that's just standard volume. That's not a high volume oil pump. So new oil pump, new core plugs. We're going to use the brass ones. eBay, super cheap, not expensive at all. Got some black RTV to seal everything up, and a new timing chain cover. The reason why I have a new timing chain cover is because the other one would, over time, seep just a little bit of water out right here into this valley right here, and I'll show you over there on the old one the reason why. But quality's in good shape. The cheapest one I can find on the web, and that was from LMR, $49.99 free shipping because it was over $49. We have 2 new motor mounts. I bought those about 2 years ago when I started the build. Got some high heat ultra Rust-Oleum. This is supposed to be heat resistant up to 1200 degrees. Got the gloss black. I'm going to put that on the engine. Now this is the reason why we're not going to be running this timing chain cover. As you can see right through this area right here, it's really bad pitted. I mean, it's super pitted. Even around here, and I think it was just seeping out right through here and getting in that little valley right there. All the ones that I looked at used, I looked at some at Foxtoberfest that I was going to buy, either looked the same way or worse, so that's why I just went ahead and bought a new one. So guys, that's some of the pieces that I've got so far for the 302 today. Like I said, I'm just going to clean up the engine, get it prepped to paint. I'm not going to bore you with that. The next video, we should be bolting some of these pieces onto the 302. And yeah, man, getting that much closer to getting it put back in the car. So make sure you stay tuned for the videos coming. We got a lot of stuff left to do on the Red Demon. Should have some more parts coming in the middle of next week. Still got some more parts to buy. So guys, thanks for watching. Continue to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.